Hi, it's Jen and Tammy back with another Notion video. We love to be able to share with you some of the new finds that have come out on the market, and we are finding an actual usefulness.
That's right.
With those notions.
Yes.
You know, one of the things that you might have noticed about our notions, and I know you already know this, is we don't carry thousands and thousands and thousands of notions.
No, we don't.
We want to sell you products we use. We've proven they have value and they can offer you value as well. And recently we were working on a design wall. And most of the time with design walls, the blocks stick fine. I don't know what it was about this particular fabric. It must have just had a little bit of a slippier finish, but some of the blocks were kind of falling off as we were trying to lay it out. So I went up to that. I had grabbed my magnetic pincushion with my clover pins.
With our pins, that's right.
And I was trying to pin the blocks, and I needed two hands.
Right.
I didn't want to hold this, but I didn't have a table.
That's right.
And this is when I realized this, and I've seen people use this at retreat.
That's
I actually saw this at retreat.
That's
where
right.
people have this around their wrists and they have the pins on this.
That's right.
And that was kind of in the moment where I realized, I get there are those moments.
That's right.
Maybe you're making garments.
Need something like
maybe
that.
You're doing what we were doing, or it's more convenient.
It's convenient. That's
so,
right.
How does this work, and what is this?
All right. So this is the Slap Band.
Okay.
Magnetic Heart Pincushion by the Gypsy Quilter.
And it's cute. I mean,
is, I know.
There's that
it's
too.
Cute. There is that. It just goes right on your wrist, and then pins stick right to it.
Look at that.
So I can go
super
easily
magnetic
all the way across the room with this, and I have pins right where I need them. Isn't that cool?
Love that.
And they stay on there.
Oh,
they're not
very
coming
much
off.
so.
This is a large slap band, so I think it fits a variety of people. This will also fit you, Miss Jen. Your wrist is much smaller than mine, but I know it's going to go on you as well. Oh yeah, easily.
Oh, that is incredible.
Isn't that cool?
So if you have a sewing project, whether it's garments or quilting or whatever that is, and you would rather have the pins with you versus having this with you, this is a great notion to have. And maybe if you've got a quilting friend, like I do here,
like I do,
and you can't figure out what to possibly give them for their birthday, I love the heart too. It says, I love you. And hey, this might be something that you might use in your sewing and quilting room.
Exactly.
So as you can see, we love to bring you projects and products that we use. We think this adds value. It's kind of a mission specific project. So if this fits in your sewing room, head to the website now to be sure to pick that up. Check out all the other Gypsy Quilter notions as well and subscribe. Yeah. This is how you're going to learn about our newest notions, Block the Month clubs, and so much more.